Alright, hey everybody, welcome to Mr. Rogers Screencast 2019. I'm going to show you some updates on Creative Cloud Photoshop on cropping some stuff out, which is great. Hey Aaron, first off, open up a JPEG. I would check the size of it, make sure it's not huge. Right now we got a 20 by 13, 300 pixels per inch, so that's a good size for a yearbook photo. If you want to make it smaller for the interwebs, you can definitely adjust that size there. The first thing, select subject button. Mind blown. Hours and hours of students' lives and my lives over from having to scroll around the photo. It's not perfect. As you can tell, we got some missing spots right here and there that we can zoom in and fix as usual. So we'll go to our wonderful quick selection tool, click on minus there. That's a little big. I'm going to change my size down to below 20. Then I can go right in there and crop those out. I'll go down here, crop out this area. Oh, you can see it, Mr. Shorts right there. So I'll get those shorts back on there. All right. Okay, so now we got a pretty good selection. I'll go select and mask, which is going to give you some further options. The biggest thing you want to check here as we look in, we got some hairs up here. So I always hate the poorly cropped hair. If you go down to decontaminate colors, 50%, we're on our nice decontaminate feather brush here. I'm going to up the size a little bit. Then I'm just going to go around and draw on their hairs right there so we don't get any weird decontamination edges there. And right in here. Just drawing right there. Make sure those fine edges don't look weird when we export this. Do one more round up here. Alright, now we're looking pretty awesome. I think we got biggest thing to check down here. Make sure you're on new layer mask when you export. Hit OK. Bam. We got a pretty good cutout right there. You can revert back. We got a little bit of a shirt here. If you want to go undo, minus, push that back in there. Alright, we'll try one more time. Select and mask. Bam. Let the computer do its magic here. You can zoom in and check and see how the hairs are doing there. We're looking pretty good. I might brush over this a little bit. One more time, make sure we get all those hairs so they're not weird. Alright. Go one more up here with these hairs. Alright, I'm gonna hit OK after that processes. Once again, make sure you got new layer with layer mask checked in that bottom box. Sweet. We got a pretty good looking cutout there. I'm gonna go File, Save As. And save it as Paint Fight Cutout. I'm going to leave that as a Photoshop file, so it's a cutout. Hit save. Hit OK. One thing I will check, I make crop in. Cutouts are usually really big files, so this will help make it a little smaller. And we're at 1414, 200. Sounds good. Hit save one more time. And we got a nice little cutout ready to go for your newspaper, your book pages.